Hey everyone, in a previous video I upcycled my son's cool train bed into just a normal kid's bed, and in this video I'm upcycling my other son's car bed into another normal bed. Enjoy! Dude, what are all these chocolate wrappers doing under your bed? So after I added a 45 chamfer to the edges, I went back with a router with a V-groove bit and started adding in a couple of accent lines, shadow lines, and this ended up being a little bit tricky. When the shop vac hose caught up on the sawhorse, it took my hand off, and it also moved the router a bit. So I got a couple of divots in my lines. Not cool, but I can live with them. So the paint job on this thing is just incredibly annoying as well. So I've put on paint stripper, which is the strongest one that I can get at my local store. It's dichloromethane, I think. Anyway, it's pretty wicked stuff usually, but on this paint job, man, I don't know what this stuff is. And really weird thing about it is, so if you look right here, I've put stripper on, and the stripper has worked through that top layer of black paint, and underneath it is another different outline of black. You can see that thin line. So it's just like they've layered paint one on top of the other and built up, I don't know, on this one, probably about 6 layers of this really hard, baked on, bulletproof, nuclear resistant paint. It's going to take me hours to get this off. Finally done. So I've got all the panels cut. I've got them sanded down to 60 grit first. I used paint stripper to help with that process. It still took 4 hours. I finished up with 120 grit just to smooth off edges, but I'm not too concerned about those panels being completely beautifully smooth, because I'm putting on a kind of a matte finish for durability. Now I'm about to put on a primer coat using this stuff, one step primer, sealer and undercoat, which does a really good job of sealing off the MDF edges, and hopefully later on I can get a coat of funnel coat on. Cool, cheers.